there. Mostly male ringneck ducks that are curious, coming over. If they come closer, I'll come back on. Look at this beautiful little girl.
Still right here.
Look at her. Yeah. She's so sweet. Aww. She's so cute. Sorry guys, I didn't know she was coming to us. But I gotta stop this because I'll hand it to Caddy, because I gotta get some pictures. Here you go, Cat. Okay. Oh, here she is. Hi, baby. You're so cute. It seems like she checks us out every day. Alright. See ya. Guys, look at how cute these two are. Mama duck and daddy duck. Aww. What are you doing? They're so cute. Oh. Oh. Food over here. Daddy, that was adorable. That was so cute.